So we're going to put the little hour meter, it's an inductive hour meter, on the pressure washer. No battery replacement. It says 7 programmable firing patterns, max RPM recall, resettable for job time and non-resettable for total time, programmable 2 maintenance timers, SVC, SVC2, displays current RPM when the engine is running, when engine is off, display total time and remains visible. IP68, which is waterproof rating, and in the back. I bought this off Amazon. It was pretty reasonable. It was 30 bucks Canadian. I'll put a link to it in the video. This is going to go on the 4 gallon per minute pressure washer. It's a Honda GX390. It's brand new. It's not even got an hour on it. So the plan is to put the hour meter on the air filter plastic cover. Gonna attach it with double-sided sticky tape. There should be enough of a lead here that you can take the cover off and set it to the side and service the air filter if when you need to. Worst case scenario, you just either unhook the wire from the hour meter from the spark plug, or you can just take the actual hour meter off the plastic housing, which won't be too difficult because the sticky tape is a 3M brand sticky tape. It's the only stuff I would recommend using. I use it for all sorts of different things. It holds like crazy and doesn't let go like some of the other stuff. Okay, so that's on there. Double-sided sticky tape. It's not going anywhere. Okay, so it's all hooked up. I'm going to take it outside and fire it up and see how it works.